Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akoma Marian. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I ventilated this fillet using braiding attachment and how I was able to achieve my hairline looking like this. So if it sounds like something that you are interested in, please watch this video to the end, learn and add the ones you already know because no knowledge is a waste. So I started ventilating from the back, and this is what I drew at the back. Before I start ventilating on the net on top of the rubber, I pick 4 holes, one strand of hair. Before you start ventilating on top of the rubber, you pick 4 holes and I pick one strand of hair. For the back to look natural, this is what I do. You pick 4 holes and one strand of hair before you start ventilating on top of the rubber. And when I get to the rubber part, I start picking like 3 strands of hair, 2 or 3 strands of hair, depending on how many I am able to pick. I can pick 3, I can pick 2, so it doesn't matter. Just make sure you're picking 2, don't pick 1. Make sure you're picking 2 or 3 strands. And I'm using split method. It's like a single split method, but I'm knotting it twice. Normally single split method is not strong, so what you do is that you knot it twice for it to be stronger and last longer. And also I have a detailed video on this particular type of ventilation. I'm going to be dropping the link on the description. All you have to do is click on the link, watch the video so that you will learn and understand what I'm saying. Guys, trust me, using this split method is like using one stone to kill 2 birds. It's stronger than single split method and less stressful than double split method. You just enjoy using split method for your ventilation, trust me, and it makes your work very fine. Split method looks like all this factory work, so using this method it just make your work look so fine and looks like a factory made wig, and it's easier. You can work easily, comfortably and faster. So as a beginner, there's something you need to know about this lace. You need to understand before you start ventilating a full lace. You need to understand it very well, because if you don't, you just get tired at a point. So you need to understand the net so that you can be able to finish it. It has like 3 parts: the first part, the second part and the third part. So I started from the back, which is the third part. Then after ventilating the back, I'll go to the middle. Then I'll ventilate the front, the first part. So once I'm done with the back now, I'm going to show you guys a full coverage of what the back looks like so that you will understand what I mean. So once I'm done now, I'm getting to where the joint, the middle and the back. So once I'm done ventilating here now, I'm going to show you guys a full coverage of what the back looks like so that you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm ventilating vertically. I'm ventilating vertically using vertical method. So I'm ventilating on one hole. I'll skip one hole and ventilate the next hole. Like I ventilate the first hole, I skip the second hole, I ventilate the third hole, and I'm skipping just one line. That's the method I'm using. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And please, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to like my video. I would appreciate it so much. So I'm done ventilating the back, and this is what it looks like. The part where they sew the middle and the back is where the back stops. So this is what it looks like. I will start ventilating the middle now. I'm done with the middle, and this is what it looks like. The where they sew the middle and the front is where the middle ends. This is what the middle part looks like. I'm going to start ventilating the front part now. So I zoomed the video so that you can be seeing what I'm doing clearly. You can be seeing the holes and how I'm picking the hair and how I'm knotting it. That you can just look at it closely and know what I'm doing. So what I do when I get to the hairline is I ventilate 5 holes, one strands, the way I did at the back hairline. So once I get to the front hairline now, I'm going to start ventilating one strands of hair on 5 holes. So this is it now. I'll ventilate 5 holes, one strand of hair to get that natural hairline. This is what I do. I'll start picking one strand at the front, 5 holes, the way I did at the back, so that the front and the back can be the same thing. The back will still look natural, while the front will still look natural. That's how to achieve a natural hairline. So guys, if you've come this far in this video, thank you so much and well done, because you just added a new thing to your knowledge. Like they always say, no knowledge is a waste. So keep on learning, keep on pushing. You will soon get there. You will soon get perfect. And thank you so much. Thank you and well done.